In 2023, there are various outdoor wood bench designs that have gained popularity. Here are a few examples. 1. Modern minimalist bench. This design features clean lines and a sleek silhouette. It often incorporates a combination of wood and metal, with a focus on simplicity and functionality. 2. Rustic log bench. Embracing a more natural and organic look, the rustic log bench utilizes large wooden logs or tree trunks as the main seating element. It adds a charming and rugged aesthetic to outdoor spaces. 3. Slat bench with storage. This design combines seating with practical storage compartments. The bench typically consists of wooden slats for the seating area, and beneath it, there are compartments or drawers for storing outdoor essentials such as cushions, gardening tools, or sports equipment. 4. Curved bench. A curved bench design offers a visually appealing and comfortable seating option. It can have a gentle curve or a more intricate design, often made by bending wooden planks or utilizing curved metal frames. 5. Adirondack bench. Inspired by the classic Adirondack chair, this bench design features wide armrests and a slanted backrest for added comfort. It typically uses sturdy wood, such as cedar or teak, and is perfect for relaxing an outdoor setting. 6. Convertible bench/table. This versatile design allows the bench to transform into a picnic table. It provides flexibility for outdoor gatherings, as it can be used as a seating area or easily converted into a dining table for meals. Remember, design preferences can vary, and there are countless other unique and creative outdoor wood bench designs available. It's always a good idea to explore various sources like furniture stores, magazines, or online platforms to find the design that best suits your personal taste in outdoor space.